Life Cycle of a Butterfly by Mrs. Abreu Wilson's class. Butterflies are vibrant insects that have 6 legs, an antenna, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. They undergo a 4-stage life cycle. Egg stage. After selecting the appropriate plant, the female butterfly will lay her eggs. Typically, a butterfly will lay anywhere from 200 to 500 eggs. Larva stage. After hatching, small caterpillars start feeding and growing. The life cycle stage of a butterfly that follows the egg stage is known as the larva or caterpillar stage. Pupa stage. After the caterpillar has reached its full size, it enters the pupa stage, which typically lasts between 8 and 15 days. Adult stage. At this point, the butterfly has fully formed legs and wings, indicating that it has entered the adult stage and can now begin to reproduce.